Ciao bella! It's time for another unboxing video, and today we're going to Italy. This is an Aglianico del Vulture. This is from the south of Italy.
Ooh, that's a lot of words.
Oh yeah, I'm probably slaughtering that. Aglianico! Now, Aglianico is interesting because it's what they consider to be sort of like an ancient grape, but they don't really know what the origins of the grape are. Possibly the Greek islands, and the name probably comes from the Italian word for Greek, which is Aglianico. So the Aglianico grape can be found pretty much all over the south of Italy, but primarily in two major regions, which are Basilicata and Campania. The grape grows best in volcanic soils, which is perfect because most of the Italian peninsula was created by volcanic activity. There's actually an extinct volcano down in the south called Monte Vulture.
Which means what?
It's hard to find when you do research, but I think it has something to do with vultures.
Vulture volcano.
All right, for crying out loud, let's drink this friggin' thing. Immediately reminds me of Thanksgiving dinner. It smells like cranberry sauce. A little vanilla too, and like a spice. Cinnamon. Cinnamon!
Say spice?
What's the Italian word for cinnamon?
It's not cinnamon?
Oh, it's cannella. Cannella! Wait. Cannella! Wow. That is one of the most tannic red wines I think I've ever had before. Holy crap. Common descriptors that you hear for Aglianico are plum and chocolate. Yeah, I can see a little bitter chocolate in there. There's something else that I get when I drink wines that are grown in volcanic soils, and I'm getting it out of this one right here.
It's not lava, is it?
No, no, not lava, but it's like dried, like cured meat almost, like beef jerky.
Jerky.
I'm trying to think of food pairings for a wine this powerful and this big. It's really savory, it's leathery, it's earthy.
Beef jerky, we already said it.
Beef jerky would probably work with beef jerky, to be honest with you. But this region of Italy is also well known for its agriculture and its vegetables too. Beans would be really good, especially black beans.
So with the black beans, would you go Mexican?
Yeah, you could. Let's go there.
Let's do that.
I just did Mexican the other day, man. Taco Tuesdays. I love Mexican, so this would be perfect for that spiced meat that you put in your tacos and your refried beans. So there you are. Wow, that's a 2020. That's only 3 years old, man. Those tannins are so strong. That could probably go for another 10 years before it drinks at its best.
So we'll make a date for 10 years from now?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
10 years.
10 years.
You're on. Man, it's been a lot of fun unboxing these wines from WTSO. It's like each bottle you open is an adventure to somewhere new in the wine world. I love it. And don't forget that we've unboxed 11 others, so if you want to see what they were all about, make sure you go back and watch those videos. Of course, if you want to buy great wines like these, head on over to WTSO.com. Thanks for drinking with me today. Cheers.